Hello my friend, today I want to talk about disadvantage or solid liquid separation. In solid liquid separation, there is a few of classification of it, which are sedimentation, centrifugation, filtration, dewatering and flotation.
Excuse me, I want to ask you something. What is sedimentation?
Okay, sedimentation is a process whereby the separation of suspended solid particle from a liquid mixture by gravity settling into a clear fluid. But in this process, there is some disadvantage, such as not efficient and also smaller microbe do not settle. In the second process, which is centrifugation, the disadvantage of it is high consumption of energy, high cost, and the instrument is very noisy. Next, the filtration process. In the filtration process, the disadvantage is the filtration process use the batch filter. In batch filter, they will need much more time, so will cause the consumption of time increase, yes. And also the high cost and also operation is critical. And then the filtration process only suitable for the expensive materials only. Okay, next, the dewatering process. In dewatering process, the disadvantage is they will need a high consumption of energy, and also it also require a flat topography, right? And also it can be done only in the dry climates. Do you know dry climates?
Yeah.
So the sun, yes. And the lastly is the flotation. Flotation require the expensive transformer rectifier system. So in this case, it will increase the cost of the production. Okay. That's all from me.
Okay, Arif, based on what we have discussed before, there are future development. There are a few future development that we can suggest for improvement of this SLS process, which is for the first one is the centrifugation process. We can basically one single separation process is not able to solve separation in optimal ways. So we can combine different apparatus in centrifugation process so that it can produce best process result. Continuously operating pusher centrifuge need concentrated feed due to very short residence of time. So we must screen of centrifuge must be open as possible. As a consequences, the filtrate will become too big. So to avoid solid become loses and to get clear liquid, so we must the filtrate is given back to thickener and so that we can ensure clear overflow. So for the second one is fine set screen for dewatering, which are known as wastewater treatment. Basically, this process is about we use fine screen that can use to protect process equipment and eliminate material inhibitory to avoid. No, I'm sorry, to biosolic reuse. So, okay, you guys,
So it will use correct.
okay, that's all for me. Thank you.